Hey guys, what's up? It's Aces International here today to show you yet again another cool, simple card trick that can go for anything, like that. Alright, so here's how you're going to want to do it. Take out any deck of cards, doesn't matter color, any type, just as long as they are regular sized. Now today I am using the Bicycle number 1809 playing cards, Auto Cycle number 1. They're actually really nice. They look a lot older. Yeah, also the color is much different than the usual blue and red. Okay, so I would suggest splitting it a little less than half, 5 to 10 cards less for beginners. And you're going to do this. You're going to be using your pointer, your thumb, and your middle finger to do this trick. It's that simple, and it does not take long. It just takes a little bit of practice to get used to, and then you're good. Now, here's what you're going to want to do. You're going to want to put your thumb on the bottom like so. Just so it's bent just a little bit at an angle. Not perfectly straight like that, just a little bit of an angle. Then you're going to want to put your middle finger right here. Just the tip of it, just the tip of the middle finger on the corner of the cards. This makes it so much easier to pull back the first card with your pointer finger and let go and throw. That's exactly what your pointer finger is going to do. It's going to drag itself along the middle finger like so, and then it's going to pull back and throw a card like so. I would recommend when practicing not using the same card over and over again, or else it can get bent. Alright, let's try that again. Thumb down here, middle up here, and your pointer finger right at the corner. Drag it back just so it creates an arch like that, and at the corner is just at an angle so that it's moving back like so. And then when you let go, it does that. Now, if you pull it back farther, it will go higher and wider to whichever sides you're not dominant, or it'll just mess up like that depending on how bad the arch is. I would suggest an arch like so, something that you can easily fit your pointer finger into, and that'll be easy to do, like that. Next, the angle that you're holding your cards at. You do not want it to be like this, like I was just doing. You want it to be straight up, like so. So when you do it, the card flies up into your other hand. It's very simple. You don't really have to move your other hand unless the card completely messes up, but it'll be like that. So, yeah. That's all. Just a reminder, I will be releasing videos Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, except this Wednesday. I will be gone all day on a trip. So, sorry about that. But I will release a new magic trick on Friday for you guys to see, and a tutorial. Hope you guys enjoyed. Remember to follow us in the social media accounts down below. Thanks. Have a good day.